Alright, what is up, guys? Me, Diamond Cast, back with the video. We're kind of like searching around my sister's high school right now. What? I'm doing it right now. But I'm meeting my friend. He was searching through the school. I will meet y'all back when I'm with him. Alright, so I'm back with Donovan. Donovan, say what's up.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so
I feel like the gym's right there.
no, the girls' gym to where the gym that we're trying to get to is on that side. Wait, is that where you went in through?
That's the guys.
Is that where you went in through?
Yeah.
Okay, so looks sketchy.
Dude, this place looks sketchy as hell.
Dude, Marshall is pretty sketchy though.
What's with that crackhead?
Alright, so
Cause I remember the time we came in through like an open, like this way, yeah. I remember we came through here. There's a baseball field right there.
but the girls' gym's back that way.
Then let's go. Oh yeah, we went that way.
Yeah.
We passed this and it was on our left.
It's
Yeah, I
by the
remember.
dance hall.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see y'all when we get to the girls' gym. Alright, so we haven't gotten the girls' gym yet, but we're running in all these classrooms. Like, it's crazy how all these windows are just like exposed to like the outside. Like, that's weird. But anyway. Okay, so we're just about to go into the girls' gym. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's locked. Coach Goodman is a softball coach.
How do we get in through there? You should have brought the flashlight.
Well, that door's locked, guys. The gym is all dark, as you can see right there.
There's the entrance right there.
Wanna go around back? It's around this way.
And
Alright.
to the left.
Alright, so we never got back into the girls' gym because all the doors are locked.
Let's try again. I wanna like at least get a basketball or something.
So I think we're gonna try and go into. Wait, you just wanna go into the boys' gym because there's lights on. Wait, let's just go into the boys' gym.
Okay. Cause the door's not locked and everything. I just want a ball.
Yeah. But the thing is like it's a weekend, so
Yeah.
a lot of doors are gonna be locked.
You wanna try these doors or what?
No, those are like fire equipment rooms.
Oh.
We'll get fined for going in there.
Yeah.
But it's scary how these classrooms are just like windows. Somebody, like a shooter or a killer, can just easily go.
Yeah.
But anyway.
You wanna try to go through here? Or what? Oh yeah, we already
Like, look how scary the school blinds look. Like, the blinds, like, the blinds are scary. Like, look at those blinds. See those up there? Yeah. Almost looks like an abandoned school.
Yeah.
But, like, this window right here.
Damn, what's wrong with that one?
Probably kids. But, this one too. Looks like
Teacher's desk.
teachers, yeah.
Well, at least the teacher will die first, right?
Yeah. Alright, so. Oh!
I got stuck.
Anyway. Alright, so we just made our way to the gym. Crap, it's dark in here. It's kind of creepy. But this is the Marshall gym, y'all. Pretty small, not a lot of things, but so we're in the boys' gym right now. Yeah. But hey, there's a sensor on that door over there. But so we're in the boys' gym right now. Kind of creepy. Look at this. And then you just got the whole floor. Got the. You could tell someone just made a wet one right there. It's all crumbled up right there. Why is it beeping? Shit.
I swear to God, it just opened by. Hey, let's go again.
Bro, the door just opened by itself. What the hell? Bro, that was as fast as I've ever ran before. Oh my god. Back to the truck. Back to the truck.
Let's go again. I want to go again.
Crap. Okay, get the keys. Get the keys. I want the truck. Oh my god. Holy crap, guys. What the fuck?
Yo,
What was that?
did you hear that beeping?
Yes. I don't know if y'all saw that. Oh my god. Bro, I'm gonna have to look back in the clip. See if I caught anything. What the hell?
Let's go again.
I'll turn back on the camera when we get inside the gym. Alright, we're back in the gym. This time we brought a flashlight, you know what I mean? We're gonna go back to the same door that was beeping, we were running out. Did you almost fall? I feel like you almost fell.
No, yeah, because I open. No, those are just...
Bro, all this like wood is like, you can like, dark in here, bro. See, it's beeping again.